Hello student, today we solve problem set 33. Before going to solve this set, we learn test for divisibility for 2, 5 and 10. First, test for divisibility by 2. Study the 2 times table and see which number appear in the unit place. Now we learn 2 times table. See, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18 and 2 10 is 20. Now at the unit place 2 4 6 8 0 2 4 6 8 0 means in the 2 times table at the unit place we can see 2 4 6 8 0, then again repeat 2 4 6 8 0 means the number is divisible by 2 when the unit place is 2 4 6 and 0. Now similarly divide 52 74 80 96 98 by 2. They are exactly divisible by 2. See, at the unit place of 52 is 2, 74 4, 80 0, 96 6 and 98 add. In all the numbers unit place 2 4 0 6 and 8. Therefore this number are exactly divisible by 2. Similarly we study the table 5 and 10 times table. Now see 5 times table. 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 and 50. At the unit place of this table we can see 5 0 5 0 means only 5 and 0 at unit place, means number is divisible by 5 only when the unit place is 0 and 5. Now 10 times table 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100. Now in this table unit place is at 0, only 0 means the number is divisible by 10 only when unit place is 0. Now see, test for divisibility by 2. If there is 0 2 4 6 or 8 in the unit place, the number is multiple of 2 or exactly divisible by 2. Test for divisibility by 10. Any number with 5 or 0 in the unit place is divisible by 5. And test for divisibility by 10. Any number that has 0 in the unit place is multiple of 10 or divisible by 10. Now we solve problem set. First question, write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiple of 2. We have to write down 5 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 2 or that can be divisible by 2. Then first we write down 450, then 542, any 3-digit 5 numbers. Now you can remember that unit place 0 2 456 548 and 564. We can write down any 5 3-digit numbers. We can also write 996, but unit place 0 2 6 8 4 and 6 means unit place 0 2 6 8 4 6 then is multiple of 2 or divisible by 2. Now question number 2, write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiple of 5. Multiple of 5, we know the test of divisibility by 5. At unit place only 0 and 5, then this number is divisible by 5. We can write down 205 600 310 225. Write down any 5 3-digit numbers, but remember at unit place 5 and 0 that can be divisible by 5. These numbers are divisible by 5. You can write down any 5 3-digit numbers. Now question number 3. Write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiple of 10. Multiple of 10 means divisible by 10. The number is divisible by 10 only when at unit place 0. We can write down 20, 30, 100, 500, 200, 600. These numbers are divisible by 10 or multiples of 10. Now question number 2. Write 5 numbers that are multiple of 2 as well as 3. We have to write down 5 numbers that are multiple of 2 as well as 3, means the number is divisible by 2 and also 3. Now first take 6. 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3 is 6 and 3 2 is 6, means 6 number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. Then 12. 12 is divisible by 2 and also by 3. Then 18. 18 also divisible by 2 as well as 3. Then 24. 24 is divisible by 2 as well as 3. Now then 30. 30 divisible by 3 and as well as 2 also. Understood? Now question number 3. 3. A ribbon is 3 meters long. Can we cut it into 50 centimeter pieces and have nothing left over? Write the reason why or why not. We are given question, ribbon is 3 meters long. Ribbon 3 meter means 300 centimeter long. Okay. Now we cut it into 50 centimeter pieces. 50 centimeter pieces and have nothing left over. Now one piece is 50 centimeter. Then 300 divided by 50. Now we can write down table of 50. 15 6 is 300 and remainder is 0, means we make 6 pieces. Make 6 pieces of 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter. Nothing left over. Write the reason why or why not. Here nothing ribbon left over. Nothing ribbon left over. Understood? Question number 4. A ribbon is 3 meters long. I need 8 pieces of ribbon, each 40 centimeters long. How many centimeters shorter is the ribbon than the length I need? Now we have given ribbon 3 meters long. 3 meters means 300 centimeters long. I need 8 pieces of ribbon, each 40 centimeters long. 8 pieces of ribbon and 40 centimeters long means total length 40 into 8 is equal to 320 centimeter. Now I have 300 centimeter ribbon. Shorter ribbon is equal to 320 minus 300 is equal to 20 centimeter. I need 20 centimeter ribbon. Understood? In this example, we have given 300 centimeter long ribbon and I have to make 8 pieces of ribbon and each 40 centimeter. 8 pieces of ribbon and each 40 centimeters means total number of ribbon require 320 centimeter. But I have 300 only. I have 300 centimeter ribbon. Then shorter ribbon 320 minus 30 means 20 centimeter ribbon I require, that is shorter, means I need 20 centimeter ribbon shorter. Okay, this is I need 20 centimeter ribbon. This is shorter ribbon, 20 centimeter. Okay, now see question 5. If the number given in the table is divisible by given divisor, put right in the box. If it is not divisible by 5, the divisor, put wrong in the box. Now first in the box divisor, we are given divisor 2, 5, 10 and numbers. First number is 15. Now 15 at the unit place of 15 is 5. It divisible by 2? Not. Therefore you can put cross mark. Then 5, yes, 15 is divisible by 5. Put right. Then 10. 15 is divisible by 10? Not. Therefore we put cross mark. Now similarly second number 30. 13 is divisible by 2? Yes, then put right mark. Then 30 is divisible by 5? Yes, put right mark. Again 10? Yes, put right mark. Then 34. 34 is divisible by 2? Yes. Then 5? Not, wrong. Then 10? Wrong. Now 46. 46 is divisible by 2? Yes, then put right mark. Then 46 is divisible by 5? Not, then put cross mark. Then 10? Not, put cross mark. Now second box, in second box first number is 55. Is divisible by 2? Not, then wrong. Then 5? Yes. Then 10? Wrong. Now 63. 63 is divisible by 2? Not. 5? Not. Then put cross mark. 10? Not. Now 70. 70 is divisible by 2? Yes. Put right mark. Then 5? Yes. 10? Yes. Now 84. 84 is divisible by 2? Yes. Then put a right mark. Then 5? Not. 10? 10? Not. Then put cross mark. Now we can remember the test of divisibility for 2, 5 and 10. The number is divisible by 2 only when at the unit places 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Now the number is divisible by 5 only when at unit place 0 and 5, and number is divisible by 10 only when at unit place is 0. Then remember this test and solve these boxes. Okay, thank you for watching the video.